All right, welcome. We have this question from JAM 1978, question 19, where we are asked to simplify a minus b divided by a plus b minus a plus b divided by a minus b. Now, quickly we'll dive into this by writing solution. Write solution. Copy out our expression a minus b divided by a plus b minus a plus b divided by a minus b. Now, in solving expressions such as the one we have here, we need a good understanding of LCM. The denominator in this case are plus a and minus b. Hence, our LCM therefore would be plus a plus b and a minus b. Therefore, we have this as equal to write out LCM bracket a plus b bracket close bracket a minus b bracket close. Now, bracket a plus b bracket close bracket a minus b bracket close divided by bracket a plus b. When we do this division, we're going to be left with bracket a minus b. Hence, we have a minus b times a minus b. We end up having bracket open a minus b bracket close bracket open a minus b bracket close. We bring our minus sign here. All right. Next, we have bracket a plus b bracket close bracket a minus b bracket close divided by a minus b. These leaves us with a plus b. So we end up having a plus b times a plus b at our numerator, and this gives us a bracket open a plus b bracket close bracket open a plus b bracket close. Having done this, we continue. We have draw a line. All right, write down our denominator bracket open a plus b bracket open a minus b bracket close. So we have a bracket open a minus b bracket close bracket open a minus b bracket close at our numerator, and this gives us bracket open a minus b bracket close square minus bracket open a plus b bracket close bracket open a plus b bracket close, ends up giving us bracket open a plus b bracket close square. Now we notice that our numerator is a difference of two squares 10. Hence, at our numerator we have bracket open a minus b bracket close minus bracket open a plus b bracket close square. Sorry, bracket close bracket close. Now we have bracket open a minus b bracket close plus bracket open a plus b bracket close, all divided by bracket open a plus b bracket close bracket open a minus b bracket close. All right, continue with what we're solving, and we have bracket open a minus b. Now, minus times a gives us minus a, minus times plus b gives us minus b bracket close. We have brackets open a minus b. Plus times a gives us plus a, plus times plus b gives us plus b. All right, bracket close, all divided by bracket open a plus b bracket close bracket open a minus b bracket close. All right, continue. We have a minus a, by this we'll call it in like terms, a minus a, this is going to cancel out, we'll be left with minus b, and we have a bracket open minus 2b bracket close. The other brackets at our numerator will have plus a plus a plus a plus a will give us 2a, and we have minus b plus b, that will cancel out, we're left with 2a, right? Write down our denominator. At our denominator, we note that bracket open a plus b bracket close, bracket open a minus b bracket close. These are difference of two squares expression. Therefore, we can freely write these as a squared minus b squared. Now, we continue. We have these as equal to, we have a bracket open minus 2b bracket close 2a. These are multiplies because brackets also means multiplication, and when they multiply themselves, we end up having a minus 4ab divided by a squared minus b squared as our final answer. Thank you.